Good afternoon, guys. It's Jessica at Intermountain RV. I am inside this beautiful 2018 Forest River V27 Ultra. This thing is so gorgeous. I'm gonna just kind of pan around this front room. The wood is beautiful, the floor is beautiful. I love the counters. I'm a huge fan of this. It's a real backsplash back there. Humongous pantry, it's 2 levels. I'm gonna pan around here and show you in the back. There are glider rockers. And now we're going to go through to the bedroom, and this is where this one really stands out. It's just like a suite. Humongous wardrobe and entertainment there. Full queen bed, and this bedroom has a slide out, so there's tons of room here. And then here it is. The front of this trailer is shaped like a V, so you get a humongous bathroom suite. It has dual vanities, a big corner cabinet. The shower is huge and beautiful. You just do not see trailers like this very often. This is really a couple's cabin retreat. Pan back through the bedroom. It's packed with a ton of upgraded features. The triple slides, it's got automatic power stabilizers, power tongue jack, solar ready, dual doors. The furniture is beautiful. There's no way anybody could not walk in this one and get wowed. I'm gonna step outside now. Here we go. Okay, check this one out on the outside. It's so pretty. Ladder on the back. Huge awning. It's way too windy for me to take it out for you, but it's in good condition. And then here we go, that super aerodynamic front is the suite. Your batteries and propane are both up there. 2 tip outs on